lately, you know, their overhead with everything's gone up. You know, even natural gas. Oh shit! Oh god!
Fire! Oh my gosh! What a fucking dumbass, bro!
Holy shit!
Briar from across the country, you know. he was howling like Charlie in the middle of the night.
Yeah. I really actually wasn't planning on buying the PSVR 2 because I'm really happy with my current setup for VR.
And then they
there
went
haven't been that
that
many PlayStation.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
It might be different. Plus, if you're gonna have people over, you're gonna want it clean, you know. I'm hoping someday William will get into that mode.
Fuck!
Did you just get in an accident?
Yes!
Oh my god. I'll let you go so you can call whoever. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Yeah. You see his work. Well, Alex Gray started religion, like legitimate religion. He's a real,
What
really
in the
spiritual
fuck?
person. Like, legitimately, when you meet him, blown away. He's the real deal. And he has a church that he
He is
Collected.
But he's just that dad. Oh my god, babe!
Holy fuck! Bro.
Before we continue, send us your dashcam videos, link in description.
Oh my fuck.
Start recording emergency video.
Because it increases the chance of heart infection. But someone did a study, not really a study, someone summarized some papers that looked at newspaper clippings and came up with the statement that like 1,500 athletes have died of cardiac arrest since the vaccine came out.
There was?
Yeah.
A real monkey?
No.
Lucky trying to make an accident. You saw that?
Yep. I wouldn't go near him.
I'm gonna come on.
which is out today. Dan Reed, you know Dan brings the funk every
Idiots in cars, boys. Look at that shit.
Fuck, this shit is just. I don't think he knows that it fell out.
I think he knows. I mean, look how long it is.
Oh, I figured it just slid. It's. Cause see the other.
Oh yeah, you can. Oh, I think he has. Does it go into his truck?
Yeah, it's up in the bed. You know what I'm saying? And I know the other panels aren't.
Fucking out of your mind, dude? That's why I own a Dashcam.
Whatever that was, this summer and stuff. Me and my friend were like, because I got off work at like midnight over the summer. Holy shit! What the fuck, dude?
I like this. I can't even see the water. Whoa! Oh shit!
Slow, Jesus fucking Christ! Oh, he's gonna be a dick.
Oh my god!
Jesus fucking Christ! Yeah, he tried to fucking brake check him.
Yeah, he did. What a dick!
But more than 5 weeks into their ordeal, both Louis and Phil were enjoying remarkable precision of mind, and were convinced that they were growing sharper every day. They continued quizzing each other, chasing each other's stories down to the smallest detail, teaching each other melodies and lyrics, and cooking imaginary meals. Louis found that
there's almost a beautiful symmetry to it, taking two challenges from climate change and almost direct them against each other to help with both. So California, in a sense, is lucky, right? Compared to California, in a sense, is lucky, right? Compared to other states in the Southwest, like Nevada and Arizona, they don't have the.
Research from these new disciplines has revealed that trauma produces actual physiological changes, including a recalibration of the brain's alarm system.
But how did you start this? It was 2012. I mean, to start something was going to cost a lot of money.
What are you doing? Are you retarded?
Got it off the ground.
You don't even have your lights on.
Of our production company, and it was my husband and I.
And you ran a red light. Unbelievable.
Just thought, listen, let's see where it goes.
On the day, Zylan laughed. The man had a strange sense of humor. No, because you're a survivor. Grantmere often tells stories about the early days, of how the Grabs went from the dirty business of hyper.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and you might get a free cookie.